So we have the Hyundai Grand i10 gold color, and let me show you the information. It's a 2011 model i10 1.2 sports, number of owners 2, has done 30,000 kilometers, asking price is 3.50. Honda Brio, it's a greyish color actually. Front we do get fog lamps, also alloy wheels on this. Taking a look at the side profile and information, it's a 2016 model petrol 1.2 liter automatic actually, has one owner, has done 25,000 kilometers, asking price is 5.75. Let me also show you the back profile. Also the back profile of the i10 also is here. That's not the Grand i10, that's only the i10. So you can see the i10 back profile, and this is the Brio's back profile. VX, the variant is VX. Volkswagen Polo, red color. Front profile of the car. Taking a look at the information, so 2016 model petrol Polo All-Star, number of owners 1, has done 23,000 kilometers, asking price is 6.25. So it's All-Star, the variant is called, actually comes with alloy wheels also, you can see. Very different looking alloy wheels, looks like aftermarket but it's actually stock I think. Back profile and left profile of the car. Then we have one more Polo, white color. This is the Trendline petrol. Now the bonnet is not fully closed, that's why a little bit gap is there, but it closes properly only. So next, quick front profile of the car, and taking a look at the information, it's a 2017 model Trendline, number of owners 1, has done 38,000 kilometers, asking price is 5.45 lakhs. This does not come with alloy wheels, it comes with steel wheels only. Back side, the spoiler has been added. Polo side profile, and that was the other Polo. Hyundai Santro, maroon color, you can see does not come with fog lamps on this variant. It's a GLS, number of owners 1, has done 37,000 kilometers, asking price is 2.65 lakhs. So Santro didn't come with alloy wheels, so it only has steel wheels here with covers. So this also does not come with back wipers because it's a GLS left side profile. Maruti Suzuki Swift, white color. It's a petrol 1.2 liter. Let me show you the information now. It's a VXI, number of owners 2, has done 64,000 kilometers, asking price is 3.75 lakhs. Also it comes with fog lamps that has been added later, even steel wheels, not alloy on this. Taking a look at the back profile. Next we have this Grand i10 here. It's a red color only looks like. So let me show you, this is the Asta, okay, top end, 2018-2019 petrol, number of owners 1, has done only 1000 kilometers or what, looks like it's 1000, it's written, asking price is 6.50 lakhs, you can see I think this is 1000, not sure. So it comes with alloy wheels, top end, so everything full features, keyless entry, everything is there on this. Back profile. So you can see the Asta stickering or the decal. So that was the Grand i10. Then we have i20, the previous gen i20, silver color. quick glimpse of the vehicle before I show you the actual information. So it's a 2009 Astra, number of owners 2, has done 64,000 kilometers. Asking price is 4.10 lakhs. Also comes with alloy wheels since this is an Astra. So mostly all the features will be there. Next, taking a look at this Volkswagen Polo red color. Quick glimpse of the car. And then let me show you the pricing information. Again, left profile. So it's a 2014 model TDI Comfort Line. One owner, has done 38,000 kilometers. Asking price is 5.25 lakhs. There is this one more Swift here too, black color. Here's the quick information about that. So we have this Maruti Suzuki Swift. You can see it's in blue color, dark blue color, and this is the petrol ZXi variant. It's also a dual tone because the roof has been wrapped in black color. Let me show you the pricing and all details. It's a 2014 model Swift ZXi. One owner, has done 28,000 kilometers. Asking price is 5.85. All prices are negotiable. So taking a quick walk around of the vehicle. So this is the famous 1.2 liter engine that Maruti Suzuki has. This is the older generation one. The current generation, the design has been changed slightly. Actually not slightly, a lot has been changed. So you can see we also have this spoiler that has been added. That is also an extra accessory added. ZXi variant. Most popular is the VXi, but this one is the ZXi variant. It's locked, so I'll just give you a walk around. This is the Honda WRV 2017 model. It's a grey color car. No fog lamps on this car. You can see there's no fog light on this. Let me show you the information. So it's a 2017 petrol Honda WRV. Number of owners 1, has done 13,000 kilometers. Asking price is 7.75 lakhs. So this car does not come with alloy wheels. It comes with steel wheels, as you can see. Side profile. So taking a look at the back of the car. So this is how the car looks from back. It's a S. The variant is called S, as you can see. It's a petrol IV Tech. Quick walk around of the car. Maruti Suzuki Swift red color. This is the current model, the current generation that you can buy from the showroom. The 2018 model. Let me show you the information. Petrol VXi, has done only 13,000 kilometers. Asking price is 6.80 lakhs. Now since this is VXi, no alloy wheels on this, no fog lamps also. This is the model which is mostly sold, like most popular in Swift. Taking a quick look at the left side too. This is the Hyundai Grand i10, orange color. Front, you can see we do get fog lamps on this. Taking a quick look at the car. Does not come with alloy wheels on this. It comes with steel wheels. Alright, let me show you the information now. So it's a 2015 model i10 1.2 sports variant. Owners 1, has done 22,000 kilometers. Asking price is 5.25 lakhs. Taking a look at the back profile. left side profile. wagonr silver color. This is an automatic car actually, wagonr automatic. Let me show you the information. So it's a 2010 model, automatic, 34,000 kilometers. Asking price is 3.25 lakhs. There's also this i10 blue color. Don't have the information currently, so if you want information you can call the number. It's a Magna way. Oh no, this is Kappa engine. Which variant is this? Oh yeah, it's a Magna. Wow, automatic, Magna automatic. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, also subscribe to the channel. Now the phone number and address is provided in the description. Do check out the description and you will get all the details. And yeah, that's it for now. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.